It's 2:47 a.m. in Tokyo. The city sleeps until a sudden alert breaks the silence. North Korea has launched a missile. Direction Japan Sea. Defense systems activate instantly. PAC-3 interceptors, Aegis destroyers on standby. But then something unexpected. The missile changes course heading south, straight toward Yokosuka. At 3:04 a.m., a massive explosion rips through the area near the U.S. Navy base. Buildings shake. Windows burst. Moments later, confirmation. It wasn't Japan that was hit, but an American military base on Japanese soil. CNN flashes the headline. Multiple U.S. casualties in Japan after North Korean missile strike. The White House calls an emergency meeting. Tokyo activates the U.S.-Japan Security Treaty Article 5. Was this an attack or an accident? The question echoes through command centers on both sides of the Pacific. Then a chilling report surfaces. The missile may have been a targeting error. Music fades to a low heartbeat rhythm. Retaliate or restraint. Strike back or hold the line. Or misfire. Thousands dead, millions at risk. If you were the leader, would you answer with fire or with silence?